In this video, we're going to be going over how you can schedule an Instagram message. So first thing we need to do is jump onto the mobile app. So you're not able to do this directly through Instagram on a website on your desktop. So make sure you're going over to the mobile app here. Once you're on the app, what you can do is go over like you're going to your messages. So if I go to the home screen, click in the top right, going into my messages. Let's say I want to send myself a message here. What I can do is I can type out my message here. I'm just going to say, hey, test message here, put a period. And what I'm going to do is on the bottom right, that little purple envelope button, I'm going to touch and hold there. And you'll see it'll pop out a schedule message. And I'm able to say, maybe I want to send this October 14th at noon. And then if I click send then, it will then schedule that message. And if I were to leave, come back out here. And when I come back, you'll see at the very bottom left, it says one scheduled message. I can click on that and you'll see your one scheduled message. And if I hold over it, I can send it now. I can copy it or even delete it if I want to go in and change that. There's not a great overall way to kind of manage this, but if you're looking in here, this is kind of how you can schedule your Instagram messages. There are ways on desktop if you're connected between your Facebook and your Instagram and those inboxes are connected, but this is the simplest way on if you're on the app and you just want to schedule one or two off messages. So that's exactly how you can schedule DMs on Instagram.